Sri Sathya Sai Baba. The Sri Sathya Sai Central Trust offers this first ever water projection show in Chitravati at the lotus feet of our beloved Swami. Come one, come all. Let us all faithfully serve Sai and love him, and love him.
The Shatabdi Janma Mahotsava of Bhagwan Sri Sathya Sai Baba has begun, dazzling with the brilliance of his glory. 100 years of selfless divine love. 100 years of infinite compassion. 100 years of love all, serve all. On 23rd November 1926, divinity descended for the essence of man. Satyanarayana Raju, a Satyam, was the apple of everyone's eye. At a tender age, he set up the Pandari Bhajan group. His heart would melt with compassion on seeing the poor and needy. On 20th October 1914, he went to a nearby garden and gave his first message to mankind via a bhajan.
Manas bhajre guru charanam Vistara brahma sagar charanam Maharaj Guru Jai Jai Sai Nath Sadguru
Satyam was now lovingly called Swami. Slowly, devotees started gathering, and Swami performed innumerable leelas, many of which were on the banks of this very river, Chitravati. On 23rd November 1950, Swami's 25th birthday, he inaugurated Prashanti Nilay. This year marks 75 years of Prashanti Nilay.
Prashanti Nilayam Shiva Shakti Shara Alayam
Every corner of Prashantinaland has been personally blessed by Swami. Swami set up a Shiva temple at his birthplace, the Shivaland. The Samadhi of his chosen parents was visited regularly by him, setting an ideal. Every college building, school building was personally inaugurated by Swami. Inside the Prashantinaland, the Ganesha temple, the Subramanya temple, Gayatri temple and Lakshmi temple were also inaugurated and consecrated by Swami. Additionally, construction of many of the residential buildings was supervised and inaugurated by Swami. Prashantinaland is indeed the holiest of places. Swami celebrated many festivals in Prashantinaland and taught the unity of all faiths through these celebrations. Saw the traditional Chinese lions and dragons. During Mahashivratri, Swami performed the Lingodbhavam and conducted the night-long Akhanda Bhajan. Youth from all over the world gathered for Guru Purnima, which has witnessed many global conferences. During Dasara, Swami revived the importance of Veda by performing the Veda Purusha Saptaha Jnana Yajna. And Christmas has always been a grand celebration, drawing thousands of devotees from all parts of the world.
Silent night, holy night, all is calm.
However, the Day of Days, the most looked forward to and celebrated, is our beloved Swami's birthday. When Swami arrives on the various chariots on his birthday, the hearts of every devotee are filled with ecstasy. Celebrations always had the Jhula Mahotsavam, us listen to that song in Swami's own voice. Let us all sing along.
Love is my song, truth is my breath, faith is my food. Love is my love is my song, truth is my breath, faith is my food. My life is my message, expansion is my life. My life is my message. No religion for love, no religion for love. No birth, no death, no birth, no death. Love is my form, truth is my faith, peace is my home.
Devotees from more than 125 countries are part of the Sri Satya Sai Global Council, worship and serve in his name.
Sai Avatara Yuga Avatara Avatara Yuga Avatara Sai Avatara Yuga Avatara.
My life is my message, he declared. His message is love. His love manifests as seva, compassion, and various grand social welfare projects. His life is therefore a prema pravaham.
जगति की संदेशमयी सुगति की संकेतमयी समता ममता नवतना समता ममता नवतना त्रिवेणी संगममयी त्रिवेणी संगममयी उप्पुंगुचु प्रवहिंचनु प्रेम प्रवाहं
can we offer to this Lord for his 100th birthday? He wants only our love.
The best way to love God is to love all serve God. మనం అందరినీ ప్రేమించాలి, అందరినీ సేవించాలి. మనం సేవించడం కోసమే పుట్టాము. ఈ సర్వీసులో మనం ప్రయాణమైనప్పుడే మానవత్వం అనేటువంటిది సార్థకమవుతుంది.